want your video to pop up with smooth animations, you don't need computer. All you need is your smartphone and Capcut. In this video, you are going to learn how to animate your video, how to use keyframe, how to animate text, how to make text pop up and move, how to make image move, and how to track images. If this is what you want to take your editing skills to the next level, then sit back and watch to the end.
Capcut. Go to your Play Store and download it if you are having Android phone. But if you are having iPhone, go to App Store, download it. After downloading, access it and tap on New Project. Remember, our first lesson is to animate your video. Look for the video which you want to animate. Tap on it. Hit on Add. Add the way this video is going to start. That is either by jumping in, sliding in, popping up. All these things are known as video animation. Tap on the video and go to the tools. Tap on animation. It will give you many options. Let's choose zoom out because it is free. Tap on it. Tap on check mark. You can see when you play it, the starting of your video will zoom out, making your video look very nice. Video animation help to retain your viewers so that they can watch your video. How you can use your keyframe. Keyframe is very important if you must animate your video very effectively. Keyframe helps us make changes from one point to another point for smooth transition. How keyframe works. After adding your clip, go to sticker by tapping on text. Then look for sticker. Hit on sticker. Let's choose an arrow we are going to use. This arrow will be following the image. As the image is running, the arrow will be following the image. Let's choose this arrow, the green one. Hit on check mark. Use your hand to position the arrow where it is going to be. Remember, the arrow is meant to be going after the image. So put the arrow at the back of the image you want it to track. Make sure you stretch the arrow to cover the whole entire clip. You can see the arrow is static. That's why we are going to use keyframe. Highlight the arrow that you are just putting. Look at the bottom right of this video. You can see this image like a brush. That is keyframe. When you hit on it, look at down there, you will see something like diamond. That is the sign that keyframe had been added. Then let's play our video. See, we will use the keyframe to be going after the image. So stop it, hit on the keyframe and position the arrow closer to the objects. Then play the video again. Stop it again. Hit the keyframe and still push the arrow towards the objects because this arrow is meant to be following the object. Play it again, stop it, and hit the keyframe again. Push the arrow towards the image. Play it again. Play it again. Okay? Stop the arrow. You can see how the arrow is following the image as the image is going. You can also use the keyframe to zoom in the objects. In this case, let us remove the arrow. Hit on it and click delete. It's off, it's gone. So let's try to zoom in. As the image is running, we'll be zooming it either in or out. Select the video. Hit on keyframe and play it. Stop it. Hit the keyframe again and zoom in. Zoom in. Play again. Stop the video. Hit the keyframe again. You can either zoom out or in. Play it again. Stop it. Hit the keyframe again. You can either position it anywhere you like. Anywhere you like. Play it again. Then let us play our video so that you can see how this keyframe works. Play it. Did you see? It's having different zooms. At a particular time, it will zoom out. At a particular time, it will zoom in. This is the work of the keyframe. Now, how to use text animation. Import your clip. Hit on the text. Add text. Let's use pop up as our text. Check mark. Then feel free to edit your text the way you like. Hit on the check mark. Make sure that your text cover the whole of the video. Now we want to make the text pop. Hit on the text and go to animation. Hit on pop up. Did you see the way our text popped? Hit on check. To make the text move around, highlight the text and hit on keyframe. Move it a bit. Move the video a bit. Position the text where you want the text to move. Move the video again. Hit the keyframe again. Position the text where you want it to be. Move the video again. Hit the keyframe. Position the text where you want it to be. Move the video again. Hit the keyframe. Position it where you want it to be. Move the video again. Hit the keyframe. And finally position it where it wants to be. You can equally rotate it a bit. Then let's play the video. Did you see how the text is moving? Because you used the keyframe. How you can make your image move. Hit on new project. Go to either photos or any image you want to use. Tap on the image and add it. Select the image and zoom out the way you want it to look like. Now, hit on the keyframe. Push it where you want it to move to. Move the video. Hit on keyframe again. Move it to where you want it to be. And then play your video. You can see your image is moving according to the way you use your keyframe.
That's it. You have now learned how you can use animation to scale up your video and your editing skills just using your smartphone. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for more YouTube creation tips. Do you have questions? Drop it on the comments and I will respond very soon. This video here will help you scale up your YouTube growth. Watch it here.